Parker's Colorflow valves are an American-made collection of inline flow, needle, check, metering, and pressure compensated valves. Installation and operation must be done properly to maximize safety and performance. Here are 2 general installation guidelines to follow. First, observe the hydraulic schematic symbol marked on the side of your valve and install it in the orientation required by your application. Second, identify the porting type of NPT, SAE, or BSP, which is also called out by the part number. Now let's look at the step-by-step installation process with NPT or BSPT porting. Preferred installation method is TF-FT, or turns from finger tight. The first step is to apply a sealant or lubricant to the male pipe threads. This is especially important with stainless steel threads because of the potential for galling. To avoid system contamination, leave the first 1 or 2 threads from the end of the fitting free of sealants. If you use PTFE tape instead of sealant, it should be wrapped 1.5 to 2 turns in the clockwise direction when viewed from the pipe thread end. Be careful though, more than 2 turns of tape may cause distortion of the ports. Once the sealant or tape has been applied, finger tighten the connector until snug. Then, use a wrench to finish tightening to the specified number of turns. Please note, never back off tapered thread connections to achieve alignment. That could potentially cause a leak. Now let's look at the step-by-step installation process for SAE and BSPP ported valves. First, finger tighten the connector until snug. Use a torque wrench to finish tightening the connector to the appropriate torque spec. If you have an adjustable shaped fitting, make sure that it is properly aligned. For complete guidance and information, please reference Parker Industrial Tube Fittings Catalog 4300, Assembly and Installation section. Now that the valve is properly installed, let's discuss Colorflow valve operation. Each valve has the numbers 1 through 10 on the knob. Fully turning the knob 360 degrees exposes each new color ring. The knob should be hand tightened during operation. A 2-step needle allows for fine adjustments at low flow when you use the first 3 turns of the adjusting knob. The next 3 turns open the valve to full flow and provide standard throttling adjustments. You have 3 options when it comes to locking in the desired flow setting. Option 1. A standard valve can be set by tightening the set screw using a T-handle or Allen wrench. This locks the setting, but allows the valve to be adjusted when needed. Option 2 is to utilize the finger screw, which also temporarily locks the setting in an easier to adjust manner. Option 3 is to use the permanent tamper-proof pin feature to prevent accidental or intentional adjustments of the flow setting. This permanently locks the knob at the desired flow setting by installing a pin in a pre-drilled hole. One final thing to remember about Colorflow valves: they are not repairable, so do not attempt to field repair, alter, or overhaul. Now that you understand the assembly and installation process for Colorflow valves, you can get started using them for your applications. For more information, please visit parker.com/colorflow.